Okay, let's begin. See. In this video, I'm gonna begin making my Winrate Tracker mod, and I'm just gonna do it from the beginning. So let's set up the CLI thing, whatever. I do like with the button. Pretend you didn't see that. And Win. Okay. Nope. I'm good. Okay, nice. There we go. And also yes. Wait. Okay, that was not good. I'm gonna have to edit that out actually. Oh my god, that was my password. Okay. Okay, this is gonna be my plans here. Let's just put it. Yes. Plants.txt. Let's actually put this right into the folder as well. Yes, like that. We can just my notes. I do believe this works. Okay. Okay, but right now, we're gonna start with just setting up the mod real quick. And I'm gonna give a little walkthrough of what my idea for the mod is. So the idea is the Winrate Tracker. Name is a reference to Death Tracker. And basically, there are other mods that before have done Winrate, but all of them usually use just, they take the entire 1000 deaths or whatever, and then they take the win rate over all those 1000 deaths, which obviously isn't very accurate at the end of your sessions, where those first attempts are gonna be just, you didn't know what to do. So instead, we're gonna use an exponential moving average, where we're basically just gonna take the last 15 or so deaths instead, and we're only gonna track them for each percent. And man, I need to do like some paint thing here actually. Is there like a, does that exist? I don't even know. Let's bring up paint. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna create a little list for each percentage, and we're gonna put the win rate for each percentage, and then we're gonna see if we have a run like from 20% to 40%, then we're gonna mark that we passed all the percentages until except the 40%. That's the basic idea. And we're gonna use the exponential moving average formula. I'm gonna have to look at that up real quick. does this? Yeah, here it is. So we're gonna start at some starting win rate. I'm thinking just a 100%. Like, let's be kind to the player here. And then we're gonna update the win rate of each percentage with this formula here. I wonder if I can just, yeah, like this. Okay. Yeah, okay, here we are. So we're gonna use this formula here to update the win rate of each separate percentage. So like 0%, 1%, 2%, etc. And we're gonna have a different win rate for each one. And we're gonna update it as we go along. And that way we'll have a really accurate win rate that is accurate for the player at all times. Anyway, this should have started. This takes so long, so I was just gonna talk while that happened. Now let's do rel info and so on. This is just some setup stuff. I used the default little button thing here. Actually, I might take inspiration from these later because I do want to make a menu eventually, even though menus are really complicated and a bit much. Yes, let's make a little to-do list. Set up a list of arrays, a list of floats, I guess, from with 100 entries. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna do that as an M field in the play layer, because that's the only time we're gonna think about win rate anyway. So I think it should be fine. Okay. Hashtag include. Actually, okay, let's wait a second. Man, these are actually a lot of fucking comments. Oh, they're doing it like this. You can just put these down here, I guess. I'm gonna have to. Well, let's take this one step at a time, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna start by just looking up how some other people have done this before. Here's one of the people I've been really inspired by. It's oh wait, they don't actually have. Do they have play layer? They do. Okay, I'm just gonna. I do believe this is okay. I can't remember all these. So we're gonna modify the play layer, and we are just gonna grab that there. Okay. Let's also, I do want to make a struct fields. Yes. And I'm probably, I guess, let's make a custom struct, because I want this. Let's just set up the actual list. 100 floats, like that's not too complicated, right? Fuck. This is the type of thing. Okay, W3 schools. Let's set up an array. Arrays, here it is. Nice. Nice. So we're just gonna do a, for now let's do a float. Maybe we'll update it later. Float, win, maybe percentage win rate. Win rate and 100. Do you put a semicolon in there? Fuck, I don't actually know. Let's see how they did it in the playtime tracker. You put it after the semicolon? That's interesting. Why is this giving an error? Do I have to put a semi? This is some C++ thing. We don't do this in C. Okay, let's ignore most other things. I would like to do a level complete hook. And I will have to do... Okay. So I do believe that there is a way to check the percentage. Okay, let's look up. Let's go into Geo real quick. Let's duplicate this. Just go into like the actual Geo there. Browse mods. I believe jump markers. Yes, you have a really nice hook on player destroyed, I know. And I mean some mod that checks percentages, I don't know. I mean, better info. I can probably just, whatever, let's actually not do that. Let's look up play layer. We want something to check the actual percentage. I believe there's like a get percentage thing. Okay. Percentage. Get current percentage. There it is. Okay. It's a part of play layer. Okay. Nice. So now we have that. Let's just, I wish you could just mark it, but understandable. Yes, update the list based on when the player dies. Based on get current percent. Based on get percent. Okay, jump market. You have. Okay, let's do level complete, because we're gonna have to have one hook at player destroyed and one hook at level complete. Just those are the 2 times I'll run ends where we want to track when the player died. So I'm thinking, yeah, by the way, why I'm not streaming this right now, it turns out you have to do like a 24-hour like verification process. I can actually go into Chrome and see if they've actually done that so far. It turns out, I don't know. I just want to start. It's a free day for me. Your account. Is this fine? I think it's fine. Whatever. Can I do it yet? Nope. Okay. That's basically it. Okay, let's just get this. Because we need a complete layer, and we're just gonna play layer colon level complete. There we go. And based on this, we can just, I guess, okay, this is a problem. We need some sort of way to, first of all, I would like to just print this percentage all the time so I can just see it myself. let's go on post update. I'm unsure if we're not supposed to do this. Use post update, but like I like it. Ah fuck. Does that have some input? Probably. Play layer post update. Oh, it's a DT. Okay. DT. And then we are going to since this doesn't return anything. Ah, wait. This is the thing where I don't remember. I think I might have to. Surely Playtime Tracker has a post update. Oh fuck, they don't. Yeah. Okay, we're just gonna do play layer. Whoops. What the fuck? I don't know what that happened. Play layer colon post update DD. There we go. We're gonna put a semicolon up and a semicolon there. And let's just do a geode log info. Let's put this in a for int I is equal to 0. I is less than 100. I plus plus. I do believe this should work, right? And then we're just gonna percentage win rate. Oh right, it's fields percentage win rate. There we go. Okay. We're probably gonna need an init here as well because these are not gonna have values. So okay, let's just ignore level complete for now. This will be an uneventful hook for now. Nice. Nice. We're gonna need a. What is it? Let's look up init. If we're gonna take a bool init of gauge a game level bool use replay bool don't create objects. What all this means, who knows? Do I put a semicolon here? I don't know, I think so. And we are just gonna do the same thing again. With my level, with my user replay. Is there a built-in function to just set the values? Like in C, there's like memset, I guess. Count. Oh, let's not do that. just want to set the value. Oh my god. C++ set array value. This seems up my alley. Oh. Oh. Can we just do that? Okay. Let's just do the fucking for loop. We can actually do it like this. Let's just. And we're gonna. I don't know. I was hoping for a memset kind of option, but let's just do it this way. Nice. I mean, I think this should compile right now, right? Oh wait, there's an error. Why is there an error? Oh. Yeah, I have to do it like that, right? Yes. This is a bool, these are voids. I think this is my first time building, right? I'm gonna split these into like playlayer.hp, playlayer, cp, etc. later, but like let's just get something going. Actually, we should probably do that right now. Play .cpp. Okay, just whatever. Okay. Actually, I wonder if it could OBS even capture the game before. Okay, this song is awesome, but let's. Whoa, okay, it does seem to work. Oh wait, there's some like, fuck, okay, let's just restart now. It does seem to work though, so that's a good sign. Okay, nice. We should probably put this so it doesn't happen as often. Let's just put it here once, and like let's also do it. That I like. Nice. Now let's go into level complete. And okay, on level complete, we want to update the values, but the problem is we don't actually have a starting point, because okay, the idea is, like I said before, we want to, if we complete the level, then obviously, okay, this is the array, right? Win rate, percentage win rate, or whatever. If we reach 100%, then we're obviously gonna have to. Oh my god. Okay, if we reach here, then you obviously like won the level. So we're gonna update all the percentages up until that. So if we started here, we want to update all percentages here until here. I guess for now we don't actually have a win rate percentage. We don't actually have a starting point. I'm gonna have to figure that out in a bit. But let's just make a little for them. Or maybe let's make a new function, actually. Let's void update win rate. And it's gonna take a int start, int end, and it's a void, so we're not gonna have to return anything. So in here we're just gonna so we're gonna do update win rate, let's say 50, 100. Let's actually void level reset level. Oh, what the fuck? Set level? What? You can do that? What the hell? Wait, that's awesome actually. Wait. Let me see, init. Oh, wait, what the fuck? I've never seen this before. Okay, I'm just gonna use this in that case. What the hell? Let's just move my little fun thing here. I did not know. Dude. Okay, I'm gonna do this for all of my level complete. Oh, they just do it for you. That's really nice. Wait. Am I or am I not supposed to have that semicolon? Because they don't use it. Okay. I'm gonna remove my semicolons now. Okay, I'll post update. We're not gonna use it for now. Okay, this is gonna be custom, right? Okay, reset level. Ooh. Can this work? Let's add a new, which is gonna be starting percentage. And we're just gonna do, okay, this is my idea to how to get the starting percentage. I'm unsure if this will work, but basically we're just gonna do fields starting percentage is equal to get current percent. What happened? What? wait. Get. Oh, that's the actual. Oh, I don't. That's not what I want. I just want the actual function. Man, that confuses me. Damn, I'm gonna use that all the time from home actually. And then I'm thinking here, fields starting percentage. This is starting to look really nice. Maybe, okay, for now, I don't actually want to track win rate changes each time the level resets, because the player might just reset or change the start position or whatever. So I'm not gonna do that, but actually I am gonna do it for now, because that's a quick way to just get this working. Get going. Bro, I just want an actual function. There we go. Okay. Nice. This is still recording. I have to check so that actually like run out of space. I only have so much space on my computer. Update win rate. Okay, get current percentage. I think this should work, right? Okay, I'm gonna move this here as well. Will this work when the first time you open the level? I'm actually not sure about that. Update win rate. Okay, nice. Wait, no, this is actually, I never implemented this. Okay. Is equal to, okay, now this is where we want the this formula here. So we're actually only going to do this one because this one is already done in the init. So let's, okay, for now I'm going to be a little bit lazy, and I'm just going to put const int float alpha is equal to, oh wait, there's a formula for alpha. I remember this slightly. Okay. There should be a, okay, because I don't remember what I was supposed to set alpha to. I think alpha is like, okay, let's just put it like 0.1 for now. I believe there was some like formula for it or something. Okay, we need alpha. Nice. Okay, that's all we need really. What's the error? Is equal to first. Okay, so yeah, let's explain this formula real quick. So, oh my god, I can't see anything. Okay, so this, I believe this is your win rate, right? Okay, actually let's actually read the instructions here. I don't know about this. Okay, I think there was one for actually like average success rate. I just want it between like 0 and 1, right? Whatever, it should be pretty much the same. Okay. Let's see if this works correctly. Times alpha. Let's just plus one minus alpha. This is the basic idea. Except one of these is supposed. Okay, let's think about this. Because, okay, if it's just one, it should just take the entire, because this one is supposed to be whether it's a success or not. Oh, okay, here's the thing, okay. Okay, so this is we're gonna do from start to end. And all of the ones that are from start to less than end are actually going to be successes. Wait, let me think about this, if this is actually true, because indexing. Okay, so if we die at 5%, then 0, 1, 2. Oh wait, actually it does need to be end minus 1, I think. Okay, so we're gonna do, all of these are just gonna be a success, right? So we're just gonna have 1 times alpha, right? And then on the final one, because this is the actual one with, should I return the actual percentage or the index? Yeah, let's just do it like that, whatever. For the final one, we will just so yeah, basically if we lose, we'll remove a little bit from the win rate, and if we succeed at that percentage, we're gonna fields. Why doesn't this work? Did I do a typo? Oh, I is undefined. Okay, and the minus 1. I'm gonna add a little note here just for myself. We do end minus 1 since 1% equates to index 0. Yes, because we want the win rate to be from 0 to 1, and then 1 to 2. So, yes, but actually we want start to be 0 though. How does that work? Because start, no, we want start to actually be, I guess, Let me think about this. Int start and int end. Yeah. Hämta köttnos, jag kommer! Svårt att se skillnaden mellan våra. Jag får med att det här är dina. De håller de här lapparna också. Det går faktiskt jättebra här. Och jag hittar nya features. En sak som är lite fokuserad är att man sätter upp pulsen. Man måste göra lite know-how för att vet att man det var en prototyp att man tar någon annans metod och ska skriva om den metoden. Men det man kan göra är att i Visual Studio Code så kan man bara skriva i metoden tab och så skriver den ut allt det åt en. Och det är sådana saker som är bara random. Det står inte så. Ja. Det kanske står någonstans, men jag missade det i alla fall. Det var lite nice. Jag undrar läget. Alltså jag kommer ihåg kursen blir väldigt kul. Det här är en väldigt kul kurs. Jag kommer ihåg att jag ändå sa det efter 1 när jag pluggade igen praktiken här. Att det var en väldigt trevlig kurs och att det här på så sätt om man inte är för orolig över den examen. Det kommer vara kul. Lycka till där med Magnus. Hallå, vi poki. I'm back. Wait. Okay, I'm back. And I got an apple. Where were I? Okay, so start percentage. I'm thinking this is actually already going to be indexed. So we're only going to count the percentages. We're not, if we reach 4.5, we're only going to count to 4, right? Because, I mean, like, we're only going to count to 4 because we need to actually complete 4. Anyway, let's remove this -1. So end is just gonna be, it's gonna be, yeah, at most 99. Oh. I mean, I guess I should use get percentage in it. Let's just use these instead. I don't know why I needed to get it like super specific. Because that's really good. I think that should... Let's keep it like that. I'd prefer having this as one function. So I'm gonna do if and is not equal to 100. Boom, boom. Then we're gonna update end. I'm gonna keep this for now because I want to use it as a reference when doing like buttons later on. But man, actually it's really big. That's just, I kind of had enough of having this button. I'm gonna do like this. Play, what should I call? Winrate play layer dot cpp. Nice. I believe we need to include that. Oh, right, we need to include alpha as well. Can we also just, I quite like having it as a HPP and CPP file. So let's just, I should probably just actually get started with Git as well. Yeah, I should. Okay, Git. We're gonna make a new repository and we're gonna call it Winrate Tracker. It's available. That's nice. Okay. A mod for accurate. Fuck is how do you spell accurately? For tracking your win rate over time. I do actually want to include accurately. Accurately. There it is. Accurately. Accurately. Public. Great repository. Yeah, okay, here it is. Okay, wait, I actually have to see that this works, but then I'm gonna push. So hashtag include. Yeah, because I have to include the wplay.hpp. I have to look up how you do this stuff again. Oh my god. CPP, the CPP file includes the thing like that. Okay, everything's been recording as well. Nice. But I can't use this one though. Yes. And then, if I remember correctly, we're gonna move we're basically just gonna move all the definitions right over here. Let's ignore the errors for now. And we are just gonna define, wait, like this. It is a lot more clean to work with. I like this. Like that. And now, oh, PT. Yeah, I should change this. It win rate. Okay, that's WR win rate. So now let's do WR play layer : init boom. This is how you do it, right? Man, he only has CPPs. I can't copy his way. Wait, let's find. I need to remember how to do this. Okay, surely Globe has CPP and HPP. Oh my god. More icons. Surely you have separated. Yes, here we go. Okay, okay. No, wait, you're actually just doing it all in. Okay, whatever. You know what? Whatever, I'm just gonna what do we even need? Why do we even need HTTP relays for? It's whatever. Okay. We should have a little alpha here somewhere. There. Nice. Okay. So now, if end is not equal to 100, I guess less than 100. That seems like a better way to do it. Then we're just gonna do that. Okay. Oh. Okay. Should this work, or have I forgotten something? Init. I feel like that will just create a little zero and 1. Okay. And then let's go right here, and I just need to check that this works, frankly. Actually, let's. Okay, I know how to do it. do old new index old new, and we're gonna have comma I comma this log will be removed later. Actually, I don't want to do wrapping right now. Let's just keep like this. Let's do a similar one here. Okay. Let's build. I think this should work. Yeah. Okay, first build. I should probably remove this. Let's keep it, whatever. It does show that the mod works. Okay. Ooh, okay. Okay, so see this. We're going from 0 to 4 because we reached 4%. And we're updating the values. And we only died on the last, because last time we died at 1%. Now we died at 4%. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, see the win rate is going down. Okay. Let's see. I died at 5.37. Yes, we only reached 5. Nice, nice. It seems to work. It updates the win rate dynamically. Okay, I'm really happy about that. Let's actually get this to Git now, because I might actually have to go in like 20 minutes. So, Winrate Tracker. Okay. Fuck, I just zoned out. Okay. LLCD Winrate Tracker. Oops, I cannot just do that. Let's copy, paste. I hate that the Control C. Paste. Nice. Copy, paste. What happened? Is there not a Git file? Wait, do I have to do like the Git init? Yeah, I have to do the Git init, right? Yeah, that's what it is. Okay. All right. See, I know what I'm doing somewhat. Nice. This should work. Yes, yes. Git is always a bit of a mystery to me. There really should be like a university course just going through it. what the fuck? Wait, I'm starting to think I might be ridiculous. Am I doing it the wrong way? Ah, okay, wait. I messed up. I don't get Git. This is so strange to me. Okay, oh. I don't get it. I don't get it. Okay. Git add dot. Shouldn't the git ignore just fix so that we don't do anything on build, right? Okay. What? I don't. Oh, it works. It's all up to date. It works. Nice. Okay, that was the worst part. Now let's do a little testing just to see if we can make this. Let's remove this comment because I'm probably not going to use that. Let's build again. Saved it. Git add dot git commit test push test commit git push. All right. Yeah, test commit, there it is. Okay. I have like 15 more minutes to work on this today. Oh. Yeah. I'm sorry if this is not super entertaining, but if there's anyone actually watching this, maybe this can help you get into modding, seeing my process here and how I do things. I wonder if there actually are that many full mod playthroughs or whatever, modding playthroughs, like actually making the mod playthroughs. Yeah. Okay, nice. Next up. Okay, so I don't actually like the idea of update winrate here being from reset level, because we don't know. Wait, is there actually? Okay, I was started to think about if I should do it in destroyed. Player destroyed. Because player destroyed is really nice, but isn't there like a destroy player in? It would be nice to just not touch the player. Player. I don't know if I maybe destroy player. I mean, I just might. Okay. This. All right. So now we can just update the win rate based on when the player is destroyed, not when the play level is reset, though we're still gonna reset the level and get the new starting percentage. I actually should check if that works right now. Let's go into here, put a little checkpoint. Yeah, see, it only updates from 2. That works. Okay, nice. Now I want to update win rate when the player destroy player is run. I wonder if that will track when we have like no clip on. I hope there's no weird jank with destroy player. Okay, nice. Let's reset the mod. Nice. So I have a nice little start here. Okay, now my next plan is to use this win rate to actually just calculate the actual. Oh, what happened there? What happened there? That does not seem right, actually. Why is it like that? And now it no longer does that. What the fuck? Okay, this was a bad hook. Ugh. Is there anything else I can use? Okay, I'm just gonna do the method from jump markers. And we're just gonna make new file, win rate, player, object dot cpp. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means at all. Okay. Nice. So yeah, okay, let's actually try, because I think, okay, player object. Oh, okay, it doesn't actually. Mod. Win rate. Play object and player object. This doesn't look right at all. Oh my god. Okay, let's just. Okay. I thought you could like auto do it. Okay, player object and player object. Okay, whatever. Player destroyed. There we go. No effects. Okay. Now. Yeah, okay. This is where I need to get access to the other ones. So I'm just gonna copy this here from, I hope that's okay. Because now we want to get access to the win rate play layer. JM play layer. Wait. Play layer. This is something I maybe don't fully understand. Okay, so what are we doing here? Is JM play layer another thing, or is that just play layer again? Oh, play layer. Oh, okay, okay. So, yes, we want to check if play layer exists. If it doesn't exist, we're gonna return, which is a really nice thing. And then we also want to get the actual. We actually want to get our M fields from our main thing. Okay, I don't really get why it's JM play layer. What do you mean? Oh, I guess it's because I don't actually. Okay, wait. Include WR play .cpp. There we go. There we go. Okay, I was wondering why I was getting error messages. There we go. Now we have the PL fields. If anyone watched this, and I hope that seems as okay. Special thanks to Jump Markers. They made a simple mod which works with the play layer a lot. So I don't know. I find that they really inspired me and helped me a lot here. I hope it's okay that I use this comment here. Play. Let's just keep it as is. That's a little special thanks to. Special thanks to Jump Markers. Bye. I don't know. I don't actually want to like just copy code like that for the most part, but I don't know. This is such a you have to do this a lot, and I think this is okay just for this case. Okay. Nice. This is a really nice thing. We just get the play layer. It works. Why am I still getting an error? I don't know. Is there supposed to be a... I don't get that. Why is there supposed to be one there? This is some weird... Yeah, because you also have it there. Yeah, okay. Whatever. Nice. Now. But wait, I don't actually only want the... Yeah, I'm actually just gonna grab the entire play layer. Okay, we're just gonna grab the entire play layer instead. Okay, so now we want to run update win rate. We're gonna run play layer update win rate. Did I have it as camel case maybe? For what? Is it because it's the same name? I need to actually check how you do that. How do I run a function from another? How do people do this? Okay, so okay, am I tripping? Do I do play layer up? Man, I think there was someone on Discord asking about this. How do I just... Okay, I think there was someone asking this exact question in Discord. So let's just see what they answered. Yikes. Anyway. Okay. Mm-hmm. What's happening? Is this for Vimod? I don't think so. I haven't done that much with my mod. I don't know. Okay. Okay, so I want to update. I just want to call update win rate. Oh my god. Play layer. Can I do like PL? Is it like this or something? Oh. Yes. PL M fields starting percentage and then PL what is it? Get current percentage int. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, okay, now I remember. Yes. I think this should work. Let's add a little logger here. Or I can write it. Player destroyed. In fact, let's put one of these in every. Okay, I know reset level works. Let's just remove you because I don't trust that one. Init. Okay. Nice. Ugh. I'm just gonna assume this works, so get the player object checked and finished basic Can I make it this long? Basic joint tracking. Implemented updates of the win rate. Updates of the win rate. Git push. Nice. They compiled for different ones. Nice. Okay, okay. Yes, yes, play destroyed, update win rate. It works. It works. Okay. Nice. Finally, this is kind of my final feature for today, I think. Upon reset level, let's just add a little 4 and I is equal to 0, colon I is less than 100, colon I plus plus. Basically what we're going to do here is calculate the level total win rate. Nice. Okay, yes. We're gonna do this. Actually, let's put this in another function. Void calculate win rate. Let's just call it calculate win rate, and let's have an int start and end, like here. Because I don't know, I imagine later on I want to be able to get the win rate from like 20 to 50% or whatever, like 25 to 50%, 50 to 75, 75 to 100. And then I would like to just be able to change that. Let's not hard code it in here. Yes. From start to end. Okay, here's the thing though. I realized that there is a situation. Okay, whatever. I'm thinking about this. I realized there was a situation where you die at 100%. Like you actually have get current percentage is like 100. I should probably test that. Because then 100 might actually like ruin it. That might just be caught as a success then. I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna go from start to end, and we're gonna create a. This is gonna be a float. Return. Okay. Okay, we're gonna start with product to yields percentage win rate. Start. This is so that we have a starting point. We can't just start multiplying on it. Well, actually, just I can. Ah, okay, whatever. Actually, I just realized I just totally can't do that. And we're just gonna call it 1. And then we're gonna return product. So yes, we're gonna just times equals. That way. Yeah, okay. Let's put this after the level is actually reset. But actually it's fine, because let's just play this before this anyway. So then we are going to geolog current win rate. Win rate is... Ska vi ta och börja fixa? Jag älskar dig sötnos. Oh, do I have to like put this before? Of 0, 100. I think that should work. So that's just all of them. Nice. Okay, I have to go now since we have to start fixing stuff. Git dot git add dot. Jag älskar dig sötnos. Jag ska pusha en sista gången sötnos.
Ja det.
Och sen så kommer jag kommentera sötnos. Det är inspelat just nu så du vet sötnos. Allting. Jag älskar dig sötnos. Jag älskar dig sötnos. Jag älskar det så. Jag leker runt lite där. Git commit what have I changed? I basically just added this part here. Total win rate calculation. Level win rate calculation. Git push. And that will be all for today. This has been fun. I'm gonna have to edit out that password I showed on this video. Thank you, and I'll be back probably on a stream next time, since, you know, I can actually do that now with YouTube just doesn't allow me. Yeah. I'll see you on the next time. Bye bye.